Okay, so that mercy, Christ, and third stanza down, okay? Christ have mercy, mercy, mercy. Can you sing the two mercies for me? Mercy, mercy. I want you to sing it from your heart. Let's take the Christ one more time from the beginning. Sit up straight for me. Christ have mercy, Christ have mercy, Christ have mercy, mercy, mercy. Okay, remember we did mercy, mercy. That whole mercy is not what I want, okay? I want to mercy. Why? Because you're asking for mercy. You don't go, give me mercy. You go, please, mercy, mercy. Going on to changing the key. Sopranos, you stay the same. Altos, you're going to take the middle note. All right, let's go over your line. The middle note. It's a little hard to read, but just that's how it's going to go for us, okay? Middle note, altos, F sharp, and Lord have mercy, Lord have mercy, Lord have mercy, 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 Lord have mercy. Mercy, off, mercy, mercy. Beautiful. It's very, very similar to the melody from the D major, where we're halfway down the page. You see what I'm talking about? And. Good. Let's do it one more time. Lord have, ready?